In this video, I'll show you how to sell subscriptions inside Kaching Bundles and connect them with any subscription app. We'll set everything up step by step. Before you begin, make sure you have a subscription app installed. Subscription plans should already be created for the products you want to include in the bundle. Once that's done, you're ready to connect subscriptions to bundles. Go to Kaching Bundles and create a new bundle. Then select the products you want to include. Now scroll down and you'll see the subscriptions section. Toggle subscriptions on. Now you can customize how the subscription option appears on the product page. Choose the layout, decide whether it shows above or below the bundle, and adjust the text if needed. You can also set the subscription to be selected by default, which reduces friction for customers who already intend to subscribe. In the style settings, you can fine-tune colors and font sizes so it matches your theme. Click Publish, and your bundle with subscription options goes live. Customers can now choose a bundle, select a subscription plan, and add everything to cart in one smooth flow. Subscription rules, billing cycles, discounts, and delivery logic are handled by your subscription app. Kaching Bundles simply pulls and displays those subscription options on the product page. If you're using Kaching Subscriptions, the setup is especially smooth, with more flexibility and 8 fully customizable widget templates to match your store. Getting subscriptions live is step 1. The real money is in keeping them active, and that's exactly what the next video covers.